Hi, my name is Twinkle Kamataria, and today I'm doing the blood typing lab for my NP2 class for Western Oklahoma State College. This is my ID. I have 4 different samples of blood here. I have anti-A serum, anti-B serum, this one says anti-D serum. I'm thinking that's the RS serum. And I'm supposed to have 4 of these plates, but there was only 1 in the lab package, so I'm gonna use that and I'm gonna rinse it between each blood types. And then I have some toothpick here. I'm going to place 3 drops of sample 1 in each of the 3 wells. Thanks. There you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the anti-serums in their respective well. I'm gonna place 3 drops of A on A. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops of B on B. And then 3 drops of the RS on the RS. I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 drops because I put 4 drops of the blood sample. And then I'm going to use a clean toothpick to mix it. And I'm gonna use the other side, the clean side, to mix the other one. I'll put that one away and take a clean toothpick to mix this one. Now I'm gonna set my timer and leave it for 7 minutes to see if it forms any clot. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and there is no clotting on B or the RH, but there's definitely some clotting on A. So I'm just gonna fill that on my lab worksheet over here, and I'm gonna rinse this plate and be back. So I'm gonna repeat the same process with my blood sample too. I'm gonna put 3 drops on each well. And then I'm gonna put the respective anti-serum on the wells. Anti-A for A. 3 drops again. 1, 2, 3. And this is our B. 1, 2, 3. And then our anti-RH serum. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna use clean toothpicks to mix the serum and the blood sample. I know we're supposed to leave this for like 5 to 8 minutes, but I can already see clumping on B. Maybe a little on the RH, but I'm not sure yet. I can't tell that yet, but definite clumping on B. I'm gonna set my timer for 7 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and we're back, and as you can see, there's no clumping on A or the RH, and there's definite clumping on B. So I'm gonna write that down in my lab worksheet, and I'm gonna rinse this plate and be back, and we'll do the same thing again with blood sample 3. Okay, so I went ahead and put 3 drops of sample 3 in each well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the respective anti-serum. So 3 drops of anti-A for A, and then anti-B for B, and then our anti-RH for the RH. Now I'm gonna take clean toothpick and mix this. I can already see some clumping on A. I'm gonna take the opposite side, clean side, and mix the B. And then mix the RH. I'm gonna set my timer for 7 minutes and we'll be back in 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and there's clotting on all 3 wells. You can see the B, and then there's the A, and then the RH is hard to see, but when you move it, it's like it's not even liquid anymore. It's like semi-liquid. So all 3 have coatings. Now I'm gonna dump this out and rinse the plate, and I'm gonna put what my findings on my paper, and we're gonna do this all over again with sample 4. I'll be back. So I'm gonna do the same thing with my sample 4. I'm gonna put 3 drops each on all 3 wells. And then I'm gonna put my respective anti-serum, 3 drops each for that too. Okay, and I'm gonna set my timer for 7 minutes and we'll be back. Well, it's been 7 minutes and there's no clumping on any of the wells. I can mix this with a clean toothpick and show you. There's no clumping on any of them. So I'm going to write my finding on my worksheet. I'm going to discard that, and then on the basis of my worksheet I will find out which blood sample was which type, and that's it for my lab experiment today.